Make three-digit numbers using each of the given digits only once. The digits are 1, 2, and 3.
But sir, how we will make three-digit numbers from these three numbers?
Okay, now let us see. Here we make three columns: H, T, U. H means 100, T means tens, and U means unit. Remember the numbers 1, 2, 3. Now we will take 1 at 100 place, 2 at 10 place, and 3 at unit place. Therefore, what's the new number form?
123.
If we interchange the digits of tens and unit place, which new number is formed?
Sir, 132. Is it right?
Yes, good. Now we will take 2 at 100 place, 1 at 10 place, and 3 at unit place. Therefore, what's the new number form?
213.
If we interchange the digit of tens and units place, which new number is formed?
231.
Now, tell me, if we take 3 at 100 place, how many new numbers are formed? Which are they?
Sir, if we take 3 at 100's place, there are two numbers formed. The numbers are 312 and 321.
Very good, Ram. Now be ready to make another three-digit number from 4, 5, and 9.
The numbers can be formed are 459, 495, 549, 594, 954, and 945.
Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.